Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Alright, Amazon find for today is the Frida Baby 3-in-1 digital thermometer. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 9,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. When it comes to your child's health, every second counts. That's why the Frida Baby 3-in-1 digital thermometer is a must-have for every parent. Designed specifically for babies, kids, and infants, this thermometer offers fast, accurate, and versatile temperature readings, rectal, underarm, and oral, all in one device. Safety and comfort are at the heart of its design. With a soft, flexible tip, it's gentle enough for even the most delicate newborns. Its quick reading technology delivers results in as little as 10 seconds, saving you from stressful moments during sick days. Plus, the easy-to-read display with fever alerts ensures you're always informed and prepared to take action. Compact, waterproof, and easy to clean, is perfect for home or travel. Trusted by parents and recommended by pediatricians, the Frida Baby Thermometer gives you peace of mind when it matters most. Invest in precision, convenience, and care because your little one deserves nothing less. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.